What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Martini Project. So I still have a little bit of cold, but today we're going to head back out to the range. We're going to bring the Ruger 1022 and we're going to bring the Ruger SR223 and we're going to put some lead down range. So I'm going to get the gear packed up and we'll get in the truck and get moving. So let's go back out to the range, guys.
Back to you and all the things you've done for me and you. Oh, I wanna get a lifetime of this, but I hope it won't take too long to confess to ourselves. I keep calling, but you won't seem to listen. I keep walking, but I can see you following. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, oh. You wouldn't hold me back if you could.
All right, guys, so we are en route to the shooting range now. It is 53 degrees and it's not too bad. I think it's a little windy. Still some ice outside, but we are en route. So we'll probably spend, I don't know, an hour and a half, depending on how windy it gets when we're out there. If you guys saw the last vlog when we went out there, it was quite windy, which makes it a little difficult to sight stuff in, but we'll see once we get out there. Kind of excited to get back out there though. I love the opportunity to go. Let me close this window. Love the opportunity to go out and shoot. I was wishing that it was sunny though. It's overcasty, kind of gloomy looking today, but we will make the best of it and get out there. So we do have, like I said earlier, I'm bringing the Ruger 1022, so hopefully I can finish sighting that in, and then I figured why not bring the AR-15 Ruger SR223 just to put a couple of rounds down range. That does have iron sights, if you were wondering. I didn't put a scope or anything on it. I have thrown a scope on it, took it off, didn't like it. I might put one on in the future, I don't know. I still have a little bit of the sinus congestion stuff. If you saw last week's vlog, you'll know what I'm talking about. So we're hopefully getting over that. But other than that, it's been springtime here in Alaska, so we still do have snow, which is kind of cool, especially when it's sunny out. You see all the snow up on these beautiful mountains, and it's, you know, 50-60 degrees out. It's kind of a cool, unique thing. That's one of the few benefits of living in Alaska. So all right, it is going to take a little bit to get set up. Hopefully there's not a whole lot of people out there, because it's difficult to shoot video because of how much sound and noise. It is kind of a tight range, so it's relatively early in the morning to go out shooting, so hopefully we're not heading into a whole group of people. It's noon, so hopefully it's not too crowded with people, but we're gonna find out, folks, that we are. So let's get out to the range and All right, guys, so as you can see, we are out here at the range. There was quite a few people, but this is the range, just so you can see. It's a 100-yard backstop. That's what that is right there. It's 100 yards out, so you can obviously go 50, 25, 75, all the way up, or even beyond if you really wanted to. These are the setups. So we were shooting, as you guys saw, the Ruger 223 and then the Ruger 1022. So that's what we're out here shooting today. It's a little windy. It's not too bad. It's pretty nice. I mean, it's 55 degrees. So this is what we're doing. I hope you guys enjoy so far. I'm gonna have to do something about my target because it keeps blowing down. So let's keep shooting. Fuck. Guys, so we are on our way back. Shooting went okay. I wanted to set up and do more shooting, but this cold started kind of kicking in there. I thought I got rid of it, but it didn't, which is okay, but shooting was fun. I blasted off some rounds. Generally, I'll line up more targets and shoot. So we're heading back. I got to unpack everything, put it all back where it goes, which is okay. Do a little bit of cleaning. But it was another good day of shooting, so thanks for joining us again. The weather's not bad. I mean, it's 55, a little bit windy out here by the mountains. So, you know, that causes its own hurdles, especially because my targets kept falling down, which is bad on me. I got to put bigger feet on them so they don't tip as easy. So, tip for you guys, if you're building home targets, make sure and put big feet on them. Most of you probably already know that and probably have a better way of doing it than what I did. So, not a big deal there. Obviously, it's bumpy on this dirt road we're driving down. But that pretty much wraps us up, you know. We did, obviously, when we transport our firearms, everything's unloaded. And we've got cases and whatnot. I would suggest if you're going anywhere, you know, especially with bumpy roads or going a distance, I wouldn't carry around a loaded firearm, especially if you've got people with you. Just my personal preference when moving around. You never know, maybe you get a call and you end up doing something else, and then you've got a loaded gun in your car or truck or whatever. But obviously I do fill the magazines. Generally I'll fill the magazines at home. Today was kind of a impromptu, let's go to the firing range just because it was decent outside, so we did. Other than that, we've got all kinds of stuff getting ready to kick off here in the next few weeks as far as the Martini Project and just everything. I mean, with spring getting here and summer coming, it's one of those moments where, you know, other than finishing up some of the cleanup, if you watched my last vlog, you saw that I was working on the garage, so we still got some garage stuff to do. And that pretty much wraps up the majority of what we've got going right now. Sorry for all of the movement and whatnot, but it is pretty darn bumpy here. Outside of that, yeah, we've got some exciting stuff planned. We got some hikes and some traveling that we're going to do around the state that you guys will be obviously going with. And of course, we've got Mason coming soon, so exciting stuff. I hope you guys are enjoying the content. We're trying to mix it up so it's not the same mundane kind of situation where it's just me or me and the kids or me and the wife doing pretty much nothing, just trying to make a short out of it. That's something I think is becoming a little bit more irrelevant as everybody's jumping into this vlogging thing, and still there's people that don't know what it is, and you know, there's variations. So either which way, hey, as I said it pretty much in all the last ones, you know, check us out on Facebook. We've got the Martini Project, and then of course the bigger picture things is the Wrenched Out Experiment. So we've got that website up and going now, so check that out as well. We do feature all the gear that we use to shoot the vlog and to shoot any other projects we're working on. We also include reviews on some of the projects. One of them we're going to do is on that Ruger 1022 we built. I know I keep promising that, I just haven't gotten to cut the footage, but I promise that's coming soon. There is, on my last video, I did do a breakdown below on some of the equipment. I'll throw that same on here, so if you go to the links below, you'll see some of the stuff that we use to build it, and some stuff that's similar to it that I couldn't find on Amazon. So if you're interested in any of that, make sure and check that out. And then I'll throw some of the stuff that we used for on the AR, and I'll do probably just a full review video on the SR223 by Ruger as well. So that's what we shot today, was the two Rugers, 1022 and SR223. Obviously I didn't do any kind of technical shooting. It was it's a little chilly for that. We will more than likely do that this summer, especially once I get the targets lined up and I get somebody to come out and help with some of the video shooting, just because to get better footage, to get everything dialed in, it's a little bit of, well, it's more than a little bit, it's quite a bit of work for just one person, especially when you're doing run and gun scenarios and stuff like that. So any which way, hey, thank you guys for tuning in once again, the Martini Project Weekly. So we'll see you guys next week. I hope you guys enjoyed, and we're gonna just keep driving down this bumpy ass road. So until then, take care.